Congratulations on becoming a father. At Dad's Uni, we believe that every man has the potential within them to become a wonderful father to his children. Dad's Uni aims to provide practical biblical training to help young men in growing their families God's way. We hope you find these simple teachings to be both encouraging and informative. Remember, if you enjoy our teachings, please subscribe and like our podcasts, and share them with someone else who also might benefit. Don't forget to check out our free ebooks and blogs on our dadsuni.com website. God bless. John Nolan. Dad's Uni.
Tip 27. Girls need cuddles and tickles from Dad.
In the same way that boys need to wrestle or have physical contests with their dads to establish and strengthen their identity as males, girls need to have a different kind of contact to assist in the development of their self-image as a female. Because of the vastly different emotional makeup between boys and girls, we need to handle these two areas separately, although their basic need is to have the touch and acceptance of their father. Girls and young women often look at their dads as heroes and knights in shining armor, as protectors and leaders in the home. It is primarily the relationship with their father that will form the basis of their self-image as a woman and what they can expect in life. When a father treats his daughter well and tells her often that she is beautiful and clever, she will accept his assessment of her as truth and begin to act and live out of that picture. She will become beautiful and clever because that will be the picture she has of herself on the inside, her self-image. As she grows in life, she will automatically gravitate toward relationships where she is treated well and respected by men, because that was how her dad treated her. However, if a father treats his daughter badly and puts her down or abuses her in any way, it will shape her perception of the world in general, and as she grows up, she will gravitate toward relationships where she is treated badly or abused. This is often because bad treatment or abuse is what she feels she deserves in life, because that was the way her dad treated her. How vitally important then is it for us as fathers to treat our daughters as our own beautiful girl, and to love and honor them in such a way as to shape their life for success and not failure. Girls need to be cuddled and tickled by their dads often, as it strengthens their sense of self-worth immensely and ensures that they feel accepted within the family. She may think, Dad is the head of the home, and if he feels I am worthy of this attention, then I must be a worthwhile person too.
Suggested action.
Spend quality time with your daughter, give her cuddles and tickles and kisses, and let her know often that she is Daddy's beautiful girl.
Scripture references.
Proverbs chapter 23 verse 7. For as he thinks in his heart, so is he.
Father's testimony.
I've certainly had less practice at fatherhood than I have at acting, but in fatherhood, at least my failures are private. Rich Summer. Actor.